This smoke detector, it's almost new. I think I've installed it about 1 year ago. It was manufactured in 2023 August, but I did install it in January 2024, and we are in December 2025. So that would be 2 years. However, there is a problem. It keeps beeping like this. And I did put a fresh battery right after the package. Actually, this is the second one. I tried another one. I make sure the contacts are good, polarity is good, everything is fine. I did close the small door, everything is fine. However, it keeps beeping, and I think the problem is that it was left on a place with a battery that was discharged, and it was left for about several months. So there was a battery in it. At some point the battery went low. It started beeping. This beep is to alert you that the battery is low. It started beeping like this, and it did beep for a few months without the low battery being replaced. And I think that caused the unit to actually either, I don't know, the small radioactive element or the electronics to actually go bad. You hear that beep, it keeps beeping like this even with fresh battery. So this is just my advice. Perhaps I'm not sure if it's happening with every smoke detector, but when you hear, let me just give you an idea which one is it, Garrison. I don't have a model, but whenever you hear the low battery signal, replace the battery right away, don't delay. Because at least in this situation, I think this is what actually somehow, I don't have an explanation, but somehow it did damage this unit. The unit itself, the detector itself, some component. I don't know which one, and there's nothing I can do. I need to throw it away and buy a new one. And again, these units, usually they say you need to replace them, I think, every 5 or 10 years. You notice the manufacturing date. I bought it later, I guess, and I did install the first battery. I did install it January 2024, sometimes this summer. So about 1.5 years later, the battery went bad, and it did stay with a bad battery for too long. It did sit like this. And right now in December 2025, when I install a new battery, this beep tells me the unit it's not working. So I'm not going to even test it with smoke or something like this. If it beeps like this, I'm going to discard the unit. The unit itself, right? I'm not talking about the battery. The battery is good.